For today's little adventure, we'll be building the Creator 3-in-1 Lego set 31143, the birdhouse. That's 476 pieces. With a birdhouse, a little beehive, and then I can't figure out if it's a hedgehog or what that is with the squirrel. Alright, let's see. We got the top of the box, has the different things. Then you've got the actual size piece for like the leaves. Inside, just shows the birdhouse. At the bottom is a typical little creator. All that fun stuff. Alright. Right back, you get the birdhouse, the squirrel, and maybe the hedgehog, and the beehive. Okay. So let's start by the simple thing of opening the box. Because you know that's what you do, right? Okay. Alright. So we have 1, 2. Okay, so we have 4 bags of 4. Sorry guys, and then we got different books. So since I'm going to be building all 3 on my channel, I'm going to build the birdhouse last out of the set. Mostly for the simple fact is I don't want to build it and take it all apart again. Because that's what I want to have out. Okay, so I'm going to build these 2 first. I'm going to do in different videos. Okay, so there will be 3 different videos. And this will be my intro for all 3, just so you know. But anyway, so we will do... I'm thinking I'm going to do the bee first, and then the hedgehog and the squirrel, and then we're going to do the birdhouse. So, alright guys. Please join me for today's little adventure and just have fun watching me build Legos, because I love building Legos. Part of this build, which is the little flower part. So you got 2 flowers, you got 4 leaves, you got 2 bees. I think it's interesting how they did the bees with the wings, iridescent, and eyes. I think it's kind of cool looking. Alright, so on to the actual beehive. we're going to look at the beehive. Okay, so we have this one looked at already. So this is supposed to be like honey dripped out, I'm guessing, is what it seems to be. It's kind of a lot of honey there. Okay, so and then we've got, let's look, we got a little spout here, we got our side panels here, we got this area here. I'm not really sure how the bees get in, but we have our lid, our roof, we have the inside, and we've got the honey hive here that can come out. See, there are bees on it and stuff like that. So that's kind of cool looking. Got your bees going on there. Got that bee going on there. So we're gonna put that back in, and it sits in the middle, so it locks its place in. And then you've got the roof, it locks in right there. So take it off this way. Now all you need is somebody walking in with the bee outfit. Ooh, I do have that guy. Oh, that minifigure that had the bee thing. Of course, he'd be super small compared to this beehive. All right, and then you got the flowers again. So, yeah, this is our beehive part of it. So, thank you for joining us for today's little adventure. Please join us for our next today's little adventure.